What's up, guys? I'm back. We've got Soul Yodi here. She's back making huge power. It's pretty impressive. I've got Miranda here today. What's the fastest car you've been in?
A Chevy Camaro SS.
So she's been in a Chevy Camaro SS. Don't know the power, but it's probably not this much power. So hopefully we get a good reaction today, which I'm sure we will. I think we got some money taped on the dash or windshield. She's gonna try to grab it as I take off. So we'll see how it goes. Wish us luck. Hope you like the video.
How often do y'all get to do this?
I don't get to do these videos too often, honestly. I'd like to do them more. There's so many of these already out on YouTube.
I know, I need to start watching them. I didn't even know that y'all have videos. TRC, that racing channel, they do them. 1320 does them. I'm not gonna be able to reach that anyway.
You might be able to grab it. I don't know. I mean, this car is literally not the fastest thing in the world, but you should be able to reach it. You may not. I don't know.
Are you gonna tell me when?
I will. It's gonna be like a 40-ish roll.
Okay.
Might have to pull over though. The anticipation is killing us both, I promise.
My heart is beating 1,000 times a minute.
Is it?
Yeah.
That was fucking gnarly. We're about to do that again.
Yes!
Fuck the money. This shit's just too fun not to do again. No money on the dash this time. This is just for shits and giggles.
Just for shits and giggles.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I feel like I was on a racetrack.
You gotta give me knuckles on that. That's fun.
Oh god.
That's fucking fun right there. That was fun. I can't.
Yeah, it was. It's like you zone out. Like you don't see anything
you can't even
else.
see anything else. We were just leaving black marks the whole way. We just left black marks. You see them?
You can smell it. That was awesome!
Her reaction was...
I got it.
She did get it. Hey, but in my defense, she didn't get it till like 130. And she was working that ass off to get it, man. She was working.
True.